This is video number 30. Understanding arc faults and AFCI protection. The term arc fault refers to a situation in which loose or corroded wiring connections create an intermittent contact that causes an electrical current to spark, or arc, between metal contact points. When you hear a light switch, or outlet buzzing, or hissing, you are hearing arcing as it happens. This arcing translates to heat, which can break down the insulation surrounding individual conducting wires, providing the trigger for electrical fires. Hearing a switch buzz does not mean the fire is necessarily imminent, but it does mean there is a potential danger that should be addressed. An arc fault is essentially caused by stressed electrical wiring, or devices. This can include equipment, or wiring that is damaged, or overheated. When current flows through an unwanted path, an arc fault can occur. This process generates intense heat, which can ignite nearby materials such as wood framing, or insulation. An arc may occur due to various reasons, such as damaged electrical conductor insulation, which can be quite dangerous. To prevent any harm, an arc fault circuit interrupter, or AFCI, analyzes the characteristics of the event, and determines if it is hazardous. Manufacturers of arc fault circuit interrupters test for hundreds of possible operating conditions, and program their devices to constantly monitor for normal and dangerous arcing conditions. Like smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, and other emergency equipment, AFCIs are designed to detect various arcing electrical faults, so that the risk of fire can be drastically reduced. Electrical fires can be a silent killer in the home, and can do extensive damage. The AFCI detects even low-level hazardous arcing currents, and shuts down the circuit before an electrical fire has a chance to spark. Advanced electronic technology is used to detect normal and dangerous arcing conditions in the circuit. Some household equipment, such as motor-driven vacuum cleaners, or furnace motors, naturally create arcs, which are considered normal. Another normal arcing condition occurs when a light switch is turned off, and the opening of the contacts creates an arc. An AFCI will sense these abnormal arcs, determine if they're dangerous, and de-energize the circuit before it becomes hazardous. This video is part of my DIY house circuit layout and connection series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand and manage your home's electrical system safely and efficiently. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also, from time to time, be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. One of those products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Delta Pro Ultra is one of the most versatile, whole home backup solutions that has just been introduced to the market. This backup power system is designed for both extended outages and daily use. With an unrivaled capacity of 6 kWh, 7,200 watts output, and 5.6 kilowatts solar input, a single unit can run your entire home. With 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Smart Home Panel, you get an uninterrupted power backup experience with automatic switchover, energy consumption monitoring, and lower electricity bills. This unit is not driven by gas or diesel generation but uses the battery storage unit that is charged when the utility is available. This means that the unit can be placed indoors or outdoors and is virtually silent when operating. It has a stackable design that can be expanded to increase output in only minutes. Compatible with various energy sources, from solar to gas, to meet your ever-changing power needs. To obtain a discount code for 5% off on all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 products and more information on this subject, and pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/3 lowercase u, uppercase w, lowercase v, lowercase e, uppercase r, lowercase h. Before we end this video, I want to repeat the connection to my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators, and the 5% discount code to all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my Stan store.